If you want these kinds of hover effects and interactive animations, watch this video until the end to learn how to implement these kinds of effects on your website and in your client's website. If you're new to this channel, my name is Gautam. I'm a web designer and a social media manager. I sell my service to local businesses, and now I'm trying to teach you how to do the same. So let's get back to the video. So now we are inside the GoHighLevel website builder. For the sake of this video, I have removed all the custom CSS from the website, so that I'm going to put each and every code, and I'm going to explain it to you how to use it properly. Go inside the GoHighLevel code snippets. You can find this in the link of the description, and this sale ends in 2 months, so get this ASAP. As you can see, there's a section called section background styling, so click on it. So this is column box styling, image hover effect, and column box hover effect, which is basically this blue border and the image hover effect and this effect. So to get this, copy the first code, go into the builder, inside this, paste it, and what you have to do is select the section you want that blue border effect to show up, copy the CSS selector, go inside the code, replace the code with the selected CSS. Voila, look at that. So you have to do the same things to all of these sections. For example, if you want to do on this section, do the same, go there, click on it, put a comma, enter, save, and you got this. And you can do the same thing with columns as well. Copy the code from the column, go inside, do the same, copy, paste, voila, you got that blue edge. And if you want to have this hover effect on this, what you can do is go inside, there's a field called column box hover effect, copy this code, go back, go into the custom CSS, save it, and select the section you want this animation on. Select the CSS selector and replace the value. Don't replace the whole thing, just replace the value which is in light green. Don't make the mistake. And voila, look at that. And if you want to add another section on this, copy this, advanced CSS selector, go inside the custom CSS, put comma, copy the section, and hover. So you have to make sure to put all the essential codes if you're adding another sequence to this code. For example, like this column, there it is, but it doesn't have this blue border. So what we can do is select this, copy the code, go inside and add it over here. Look at that, blue border, and it has a hover effect when you interact with the section. Last, the image animation, like this, like the smooth zoom effect. What you can do is go inside, image hover effect, you have to copy the whole thing, go inside the builder. Whenever you copy custom CSS code inside the field, make sure to put some extra space between the code so that you won't be confused. Copy this and replace this image, your image ID, with the actual image ID. For example, this advanced, copy the section, go inside, bam, and bam. Look at that. That's smooth transition. If you want to do the same animation and effect to all the other images, you can do the same thing. Copy, advanced, go into the custom CSS, image, comma, img, same here, comma. If you don't want to type this again and again, you just copy and paste. Look at that. You got the blue border, and the image hover effect, and the interactive animation on the sections. And all the codes you're going to see inside this GHL code snippets, it took me more than 6 months to put everything together. And my intention was not supposed to sell this. My intention was to help me to use this multiple times to make my website and my client's website make fantastic. I forgot to mention one small thing inside the CSS codes. You don't have to use the exact code. You can play around, like the border 1 pixel solid, you can change it to 2 or 3. The border radius, you can change it to 20 pixels. It depends on how much you want and how do you want it to look. And you can change the padding, like 50 pixels. I'm not going to change it right now. I'm just showing what to do. And if you want to change the color, for example, in this code, it's going to show the blue shadow on the edges of the section when you move the cursor on the top. You can change this RGBA by using this, the RGBA picker. This, you have to copy this and you can paste it inside. If you want to get access to this and other softwares I'm using right now, link in the description. It's totally free. Make use of it. And it's same for all the other codes you're gonna see inside this GoHighLevel code snippets. You can change literally everything. It's just plug and play. You can make your website as beautiful as possible with your own niche and own color palettes. So the sky's the limit. Go crazy. So I'm going to change the animation to all the sections. So at the moment it has only 2 sections. So I'm going to change it and I'm going to show you how it looks inside the website. So this is it. I have changed all the animations and effect to all the sections. This is how it looks with that smooth border on the side, the image over effect, and voila. Everything looks clean and perfect. You shouldn't be overdoing all the animations and effect. You should be keeping it simple so that it's gonna look elegant. If you want these kinds of effects and animations in your website and in your client's website, make sure to get this GoHighLevel code snippets. Link in the description. The sale ends in a couple of months, so get this as soon as possible. I hope you got some value out of this video, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.